Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides expert water service repairs in Los Gatos, California 95060, specializing in water heater installations, drain repairs, and water damage restoration. With years of experience serving Los Gatos, Monte Sereno, and San Jose, we ensure reliable water systems through prompt, professional, and tailored solutions. Are you looking for water service repairs in Los Gatos, California 95060? You can stop looking, you found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. Who is responsible for repairing water service lines in Los Gatos? Repairing water service lines in Los Gatos depends on whether the issue is on private property, where homeowners are responsible, or public property, managed by the local water authority. Our team at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides expert guidance to clarify responsibilities and delivers professional repair services tailored to your needs. What permits are required for water line repairs in Los Gatos? Water line repairs in Los Gatos often require permits for excavation or changes to public utilities. Our team streamlines the permit process, ensuring compliance with local regulations and timely coordination with necessary departments for hassle-free repairs. What is the service area of Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides services in various locations around Scotts Valley, including Bonny Doon, Rio Del Mar, Aptos, Boulder Creek, Chemeketa Park, Brookdale, Capitola, Soquel, Live Oak, Lomond, Seabright, Olympia, Mount Hermon, Laurel, Felton, and Santa Cruz. Where is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located in Los Gatos, CA? We are located at 4736 Scotts Valley Drive Avenue Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Our phone number is 831-292-5238. Visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Scotts-Valley-Plumbing-Draining-Water-Heater-Repair.